Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Quant chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to lose a key area of support at around the $147.9 mark. We have also managed to lose the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, meaning it's now acting as resistance, and that is after fully maximizing our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of these wave 5 to the upside. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next target areas to the upside in the formation of these wave 5, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Quant, after making it to an all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that had been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in blue, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $229 mark, and also completed the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And here on the charts you can see that I have this red target area, and it is within this red target area that I was expecting to see the low for that second wave. And in that ABC corrective structure we have the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2 and also giving us a low at around the $94.4 mark. And after seeing that low, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3, and by first sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $398 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And because the wave 3 is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, and I believe that is what we are seeing here, having this as the first wave, then we have seen that wave 2, and I also believe that we have peaked in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $165.5 mark. We have also seen the formation of this wave 4 fully maximizing our red target area here in the formation of that wave 4, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, which is a fractal wave within the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And by first showing you that this wave 3 over here has peaked by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $163.7 mark. And you can see that we made our high at around the $165.5 mark, meaning we fully maximized our target area in the formation of that wave 3 and also managed to break above our target area. And after seeing that wave 3, we started a corrective structure over here in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that you have also fully maximized. And I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And in the formation of that wave 5, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature of the formation of a wave 5. And I believe we are seeing such a structure right here, where we can term this as the first wave to the upside, then this is the formation of that wave 2 before we can expect that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 5, which is right here in red, and getting to see whether the second wave, which is down here, has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. The minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 is the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And you can see that yesterday we managed to lose the fib level 0.618, and that makes me to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, which we have now touched, and there are chances that we are seeing a reaction of that key area on the Fibonacci's, and in case we continue pushing higher, I'll be expecting to see a break above the key area of resistance at around the $147.9 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance could trigger even higher prices once we see a successful retest of that key area of resistance. And once that move plays out, then that will be the formation of these Elliot wave count 3 of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, and giving you a target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $179.5 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upside to do before we expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of this wave 5 to the upside. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And on the worst case scenario, in case we continue seeing lower prices, then there are chances that we might continue pushing lower, get back to the key area of support at around the $133.2 mark, and in case that happens, then I'll be saying that the low for this fourth wave is not yet in, and there are chances of making one more low below the low that we made at around the $135.7 mark in the formation of that wave 4. So that is what we can expect on the worst case scenario. But assuming that the low for this fourth wave is in, given that it has done the minimum that we expected it to do, there are chances that whatever we are seeing here is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out here on the Quant chart, and I'll be keeping you updated on that. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, you can see we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support further movements to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. And on the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and this fully supports the worst case scenario, but I hope that doesn't play out and we continue pushing higher in the formation of this wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.